Hello everyone. If you are new here, you have known me quiet for long, you are welcome to my channel. OS Jeremiah is my name. They used to call me cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. So this is the only channel that is teaching people globally how you can trade and make big money in cryptocurrency successfully on your mobile phone. Look at the screen very well. As of today, half of January, 15th of January, year 2022, we have 16,811 cryptos worldwide, and we have 454 exchanges, and the market cap, which is the total amount of money invested in cryptocurrency globally, is 2 trillion dollars, 2 plus trillion dollars. And when you look at the screen very well, you can see that the giant of the entire cryptocurrency industry, Bitcoin, is at $43,000 today, while Ethereum is 3,300, and Binance is 492, and so on and so forth. DIDA or USDT has taken the fourth position again because of the market is in the correction a little bit, and people want to protect their various position globally. So today, for the based on the topic or the title for this episode, how cryptocurrency works, part one. I've done a lot in the past, and I'm still going to refresh it in more advanced way in year 2022. Now I'm going to show you something that is very big now. Look at the trading view chart very well. This is Bitcoin chart today with the same price on the horizontal line. But a lot of you don't know how cryptocurrency works, and today I'm going to show you another secret. So let me take you to year 2019. Year 2020. Yes, this year 2020 in the month of March, because of month of March is usually be the month of challenge for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency globally. Now let me mark the price below for you. You can see that the price is at 3,000 plus, marking the market crash from high price to 3,000 plus in the month of March. And in that very day, the market crashed because of a lot of people were selling globally. You see, don't believe. Let me also show you another one. This usually happened in the month of March due to the traders' global belief. So look at another one indeed. This is 2018. The market crashed to 3,200. Let's go to year 2019 and see the actual month in which the market crashed. In 2019. In 2019, which year is this? 2020. Oh, where is 2019? Oh, 2019. We want to see the actual period. This is 2018. Okay. 19. It's like this one is 2019. You can see that the market also crashed down to about 6,400 in 2019. It crashed to 3,000 plus in 2018. Now let's check the price below. Wow, 3,000 plus in 2018. So what I'm trying to explain you here as the main fact is that people fear taking risks in the market. That is the reason why you don't make anything. If you are 30 today, I will tell you to invest for just 5 years for you to live the rest of your life as champion, and you refuse to do so. Remember, you are going to 35, whether you like it or not. Eh? People too panic. Global traders are too panic about the market. When the market is going down a little bit, they will sell off everything they have at loss and started shouting that cryptocurrency is bad, cryptocurrency is desperate, is this, is that, because of they don't know the title of this episode, how cryptocurrency works, part one. So you don't have any problem as soon as you focus more about the future, because this is a future banking and it is our future industry, and the purpose of this industry is to balance the global wealth taken from the manipulated richest onto the less privileged, for everyone to be living equal life and freedom of finances. So it is as simple as that. So the $43,000 you saw Bitcoin on the screen today, if you don't follow this simple advice, make it while the sun shine for you to achieve big and make an insane profit in this industry in the future, I pray you won't still going to realize. Remember the greatest investor ever in this generation, Warren Buffett. He said, "Be greedy while others are fearful. Be fearful while others are greedy." So everything, the interpretation of that emphasize is the same thing that I've been teaching in this episode. So stop fear anything, and stop selling at loss. Get in the reliable positions, and within the next 1 to 5 years, which is one cycle in cryptocurrency industry, you are going to laugh at last. So don't forget, that's why you've been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah. Remember to like this video by the left side so that it will go viral for people to be free of insane trading system. And don't forget to share it below. Remember, sharing is caring. When you share it, it will go across, and other will also gain access to this episode and be free as well. And remember to subscribe below this video, which is the most important one. When you subscribe and put on notification, you are going to gain access to the real money making video I used to post always. I'm posting another video within the next few hours. And also in the description below this video, you are going to see link into our Telegram channel. You need money in cryptocurrency. You wanted to make million in cryptocurrency. Congratulations. Click the Telegram channel below now and join our Telegram, and you're going to gain access to the big things and the big money making aspect, the cryptocurrency industry I used to post every day. And lastly, let me hear your voice in the comments whether you like this episode or I'm deceiving you. Let me hear your voice. Watch out for another Power Pack episode within the next 24 hours. OS Jeremiah is my name. They used to call me cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Bye for this episode.